All right, lesson 31, filling in and erasing bubbles. It may sound completely crazy, but this simple but vital aspect of test taking is sometimes actually overlooked. Consider the following scenarios. You took time to accurately solve a problem. Use the reference sheet to find the correct formula, used a calculator to make the calculations, and you rechecked your work. You found the same answer in the list of answer choices. You are 100% confident that your answer is correct, but you don't get credit for your answer because you bubbled your answer on the wrong line because you skipped a question, or you did not properly bubble in your answer choice and the machine that grades it does not pick up the marks you made, or you accidentally bubbled A instead of C and you noticed it, however, you did not fully erase the mark in A, so the computer thinks that you marked 2 answers. And in any of these cases, you do not get credit for the work you did because of an avoidable mistake. To prevent a similar situation to this, follow the simple procedures. After you find a solution, circle the answer in your question booklet. This will help in case you get off track when taking a test. Let's say that you skip a question, go back to later, and accidentally bubble the next answer in its place. By recording the answer in the question book, you can easily fix the mistake. This is especially important during a time test because additional time will not be provided to change answers or record answers on the answer sheet. It's also important on time tests to record your answers as you complete a question to ensure that you get credit for every question that you answer. Filling in bubbles on a multiple choice test. To fill in a bubble, start on the inside of the circle printed on the answer sheet and carefully make several circles around the inside of the circle. Continue making circles while working towards the middle of the bubble until the bubble is completely filled. Use a consistent medium pressure. If you use too much pressure and need to change an answer, it's considerably more difficult to erase the incorrect mark. Use too little pressure and your answer may not be recorded since the machine may not read your answer. The illustrations below show the proper mark and several incorrect marks. Do not use a check or X to mark an answer. Also ensure that all answers you select are completely filled in, are dark. You cannot see the printed letter in the circle, and the shading is inside of the circle. The type of pencil can make a difference in the quality of the marks you make on your answer sheet. Most standardized tests require that you use a number 2 pencil as the lead in a number 1 pencil is too soft and number 3 pencils are too hard. If a number is not listed on a pencil, look for HB, which also describes the hardness of the lead. If you prefer wooden pencils, Dixon, Ticonderoga wood pencils are high quality. Thick mechanical pencils also use HB lead and most are marked as number 2. The advantage to using a mechanical pencil is you always have a sharp point, regardless of the type of pencil. Wood or mechanical, ensure that you have at least 3 pencils when you take the test. Recently, some standardized tests have begun prohibiting the use of mechanical pencils. If you're not sure, have both types available. Erasing wrong answers. If you filled in the wrong circle, you will need to erase the incorrect answer and fill in the correct circle. The best eraser is a Prismacolor Magic Rub. They're available at office supply and art stores. Other white vinyl erasers, including the eraser on the back of thick mechanical pencils and the Staedtler Mars plastic erasers, also work well. The 2 illustrations below demonstrate the difference between these erasers. Erase with a medium pressure in the circular motion. The circular motion allows the eraser to work into the small grooves that the pencil made when filling in the circle. After you erase the incorrect answer, be sure to fill in the correct circle. If the erased circle still appears dark, do not make any mark on the answer sheet, including circling the correct answer, as this can lead to additional issues with automatic scoring. All right, go ahead and work on the exercises below.